Scared the bejesus out of me, dog, please. I doubt this will stay. Hello everyone, it's your girl back here again. Welcome to the channel if you are new, but if you are returning, thank you for coming back. So today it's currently November 16th. It is almost 4 o'clock. I've been up since 10 doing nothing. My period started today, so kind of feeling not the best. But right now we're about to go to Target so I can get some things. I am running out of pads very quickly and have yet to get some. Apologies for the noise. Scared the bejesus out of me, dog, please. I'm here about to fall anyways, but I might just talk to y'all when we get to Target because oh my gosh. Okay, so we are back Target. I know I said I was gonna try and film in there, but there was absolutely no motherfucking way. Why am I so zoomed in? I think I did that by accident. But yeah, we're back in the car, still in the Target parking lot, but I spent over $100. Spending nothing. This is what I get. Like, I can't even spend healthy. The most that I got was fucking garbage. Spending there, like, it's almost 5 o'clock. It's like 9 minutes to 5. And I told myself, oh, I want to be here before the sunset. Grr. Big fat lie. I will see you. Hello, everyone. It is the next day. So today is Sunday, and I kind of want to do, like, I want to do a big thing. In terms of cleaning, I really need to finish cleaning this room because Christ. I had to clean the bathroom and I had to rake the leaves with my sister today, so there's a lot of stuff we have to do. And so yeah, but first I have to take a shower, get clean and smelling good, because I do have to go to Best Buy and I do have to go to Ulta really quickly. Like, it has to be a quick one too. I have to go to Best Buy first. Let's go do those things. I will see you guys once we get to Best Buy. I'm back in the car. I'm a little thing. All I got was hair ties, another e.l.f. lip oil, and then 2 brushes. But oh my gosh, you guys. I just bought, as I told you guys, the Osmo Pocket 3. So it's currently recording right now. That is actually insane. I am also recording on my Sony ZV-1F, just so you can see from the Osmo Pocket 3 how it's looking, as well as, you know, my regular camera of choice. With this, is going to be so much easier to film in public. I wasn't able to film today because obviously didn't have a SD card, so there was no way for me to, and this thing is open. My sister got me boba, but without the boba. So good. We have lots to do today. We have to, it's already 3 o'clock, I think. Yep, it's 3 o'clock. I'm gonna have us rake the leaves and then come back. I think I will take a shower before I focus on cleaning my room again. But yeah, I'm so happy to have 2 cameras. The quality, both of them are amazing. I'm so happy I got this. It's definitely going to be a well worth it purchase. Let's continue this day, continue to do what we gotta do. So we're about to go do the leaves. What's wrong with you? Okay. managed to finish. It's probably around 4:30, if not almost. But yeah, that's done. Thank gosh. Hello everyone. Welcome. Today is Friday. Is it November the 22nd? Yes, and right now it is currently 5:41. My mom is out for the weekend as well as my sister, well, for the night. And so I just know that I need to get this bathroom clean and my room. I'm hoping to have company over. With that being said, I need to take a shower because Lord have mercy. I feel gross. I came back from work maybe like not that long ago. I think it was close to 5 o'clock, if not. I think I will just take a shower really quickly, get all nice and fresh and clean and beautiful, and then I will get started with cleaning this place because Lord knows that we need to. I will see you guys when I'm done with the shower. Hello everyone, we're back. I just put on a random shirt, oversized shirt. I have shorts on. I'm all nice and clean and fresh. And so we're about to clean this bathroom, man. Like, I don't know if I have the necessary stuff. I might have to steal stuff from upstairs from my mom used. New shower liner that I desperately need to change. I am going to bring the battery for this thing because it looks like it's about to die. And I'll finish up with the bathroom. It's clean, or clean as it can be. I finished cleaning, or at least tried to clean the bathtub. Okay, you guys, so it is currently 1:22 in the morning. I have been cleaning the whole time. Hello, you guys. Don't mind how I look right now. I am currently chilling in bed. It's around 11 o'clock. I do have to go to sleep soon because I have work tomorrow. I understand that this video ended a little abruptly. That's because I just really have no other footage to show. It was just mainly just showing me, cleaning the yard and cleaning the bathtub as much as I could. Yeah, hopefully it was enjoyable nonetheless, but I did want to record this little video just to close off the video officially, and I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed editing it. It was getting back into editing after a long while. Just feels like fresh and new again. I don't know why, but I really did enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching this video. As mentioned, hopefully you'll come back to watch other videos that I already have up and videos that I will be uploading in the future. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Ready?